if you want to switch, that it will be fine. Like SD-WAN is the right now in routing and switching, SD-WAN is the highest paid jobs.
How was your experience with the labs in terms of SD-WAN or DevNet? Because most of the contents are related to labs only, right?
Yeah. So in SD-WAN, the labs are good. The trainer is also good.
Yeah, hi Amol. Good evening. How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm good. Good evening.
So Amol, as you know, my name is Nitish, and I'm one of the training and placement coordinator at PyNet Labs. So we are here to have a quick feedback call because you have taken two of our most, you can say, trending technology, that is SD-WAN and DevNet Associate. So it would be really great, like if you can tell us how you came to know about PyNet Labs and how was your experience basically in terms of DevNet and SD-WAN training.
Yeah. Firstly, I'm in all. Previously, before founding the PyNet Labs, I'm in touch with Dipanshu, so I get to know about the update, but I'm not getting the time for doing the training. So, uh, in I guess in the previous year, I got the time, so uh, I get in contact with the Dipanshu. So I asked Dipanshu for the training details. So he shared the contact for about your contact. So I got the details from you and I enrolled for the details because in our SD-WAN is the latest one, and in our also we have a project of SD-WAN, so it's kindly relate and that everything should be updated, so we can relate everything. If project is ongoing, so we can relate like what's going on. So if the project is like over, we can't relate that much, so we need to do practice more. So doing not much more practice, so we can relate directly with what is happening in the project. So it will give boost or give a knowledge about what's going on in the project and give the latest idea about the trending topics, or if you want to switch, that it will be fine. It SD-WAN is the right now in routing and switching, SD-WAN is the highest paid jobs, one of the. So that at the recent times, I have also switching the looking for the job, so it got a good overview and technology enhancement. So
Okay, that's really good. And rightly you have mentioned like SD-WAN is at boom right now. For experienced engineer, most of the companies are hiring network engineers who are having SD-WAN skills. So that's great. So yeah, this was about SD-WAN. And how was your experience with DevNet, Python and Civil DevNet training?
yeah, DavNet is there is right now there is not much about DavNet in the market. But if you want to migrate or do anything like with automations, like from your own or do multiple tasks at an instance, so we need to learn DevNet as well because we can do much more. What is teach in it's one of the parts, but we can do much more in the DevNet. We can automate our systems. It's it will reduce times it will take 1/10 time. You need to program anything, or if you want to push a config, it will take 1/10 of the time for doing a configuration on a single device. So it's the best thing. The If someone is learning CCNA and CCNP or anything, he should learn the DevNet first. After that, CCNA or CCNP. In that middle, if he get time, then he needs to learn the DevNet once, because it will save his times, and he will also have what happening in the programming. He will also get the knowledge about it. So if something is migrating, like if network engineer don't have the network programming knowledge previously, if they are migrating from one technology to another, that will not a sudden change. If they have a knowledge, they can learn. Like if you are learning in 2 to 3 months, then it will be fine if you have a knowledge. if you have don't knowledge, then it will take too much time to learn. Like it's if I'm starting without any knowing knowledge, so I will take at least 1 year to learn from the scratch. But if I have a knowledge, then it will take 1 2 months or 3 months to grab up. So it will be a good thing.
Correct. So this network automation that comes under DevNet. So this is
Yeah,
the only course where network engineers can learn Python from scratch. And now, right now, for network engineers' point of view, it's required to learn programming. They
yeah,
have to start learning. Yeah. So yeah, for both freshers as well as for experienced engineer, network automation or DevNet associate is being asked by the companies. Yeah. So
yeah.
this.
Yeah, they are asking, but they are like doing some different tools or like different scenarios. So it will like much more headache. So if it's better that if we already learn something, then it we can we can relate it, correlate it. If ongoing project is going there, we can correlate it.
Absolutely.
If like we have a project of we want to configure 100 switches within the network, so we require only one script.
Yeah. So, all right. So this is about your experience. How was your experience with the labs in terms of SD-WAN or DevNet? Because most of the contents are related to labs only, right?
Yeah. So in SD-WAN, the labs are good. The trainer is also good. So already all contents are provided in the lab, and it's a virtual lab. So there is no need to install anything on the laptop. So it will like give the time to do the troubleshooting on your own laptop. So it's virtual lab. So we can do quickly. So it will relate that one. And in the DevNet, so there is like it's on the laptop only, so it will be fine. But it's like a quick deployment, so it will be a good one.
All right, all right. So overall, it was a good experience, right, in terms
Yeah,
of lab. All right, all right.
because all
Thank you.
doubts are clear, and every time the trainer is available, so it was a like in the doubt session also, it will be a good one.
Okay, all right. So is there anything else, Amol, you wanted to share?
If any, because right now the technology boom is going toward the cloud and the Python. So just if everyone, if who was migrating from or switching the jobs, then they need to do the DevNet or the SD-WAN.
Okay. Yeah, yeah, absolutely, absolutely. So these are at boom right now. So yeah, correct. So thanks a lot, Amol, for your time. And yeah, this video will definitely help others who will watch this. Yeah.
Yeah,
So yeah, thanks a lot for your time.
yeah. Thank you.
Yeah. All right. Yeah. Most welcome. Bye bye.